Good morning, students. Once again, welcome back in computer class. You know very well about myself, Ravi Kumar from Sivrat Singh Children Academy. Today, in the class, we will firstly take the knowledge about the syllabus of an half-yearly examination. Class 4th. Computer syllabus for half yearly examination 2020-21. In the computer syllabus for half yearly, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4. Chapter 1 Internet, chapter 2 Memory and Storage, I think chapter 3 Working with Windows, and chapter 4 is TuxPaint. It means in the half yearly examination there are totally 4 chapters will be included, but in your book total 9 chapters have been given. Out of 9, 2 chapters have been deleted. 9 चैप्टर्स आपके सिलेबस में दिया गया है, जिसमें से 2 चैप्टर्स को डिलीट कर दिया गया है. डिलीट किए गए चैप्टर्स के नंबर चैप्टर 7 मोर अबाउट स्क्रैच एंड चैप्टर 8 प्रोग्रामिंग इन स्क्रैच. 2 chapters have been deleted from the course. Rest 7 chapters have, and out of 7 you have to learn only 4 chapters. Once again we will repeat chapter 1 Internet, chapter 2 Memory and its storage, chapter 3 Working with Windows 7, and chapter 4 TuxPaint. It means these 4 chapters you have to learn very well with all exercises. Note down. Firstly, we will revise the chapter 1 as Internet. Chapter 1 Internet. I think every student know very well about Internet. Internet is a network of networks. Internet is a network of networks, and you know very well about the full form of Internet. International Communicated Network. Inter means international. And net means network. This is the full form of Internet. International network, and definition of internet is network of networks is called internet. Millions of computers around the world are connected with each other to share information through the internet. The internet stands for international network. It has many features, but is generally used as a means of communicate and search endless amount of information from unlimited number of resources. It is like a huge library that offers various types of informations. I think you know very well कि number of computers are going to connect each other. Millions of computers are connected each other to share their informations. That is called internet. We will take the next topic. Uses of internet. Uses of internet. First point, what we will write? We can check exam results. B, it provides information and news on any topic. C, we can buy or sell new and old goods. And last point, मैसेजेस. यूजेस ऑफ इंटरनेट. इंटरनेट का यूज़ क्या है? यू कैन राइट. आप अपने मन से भी लिख सकते हैं इसके अंदर कि इंटरनेट का यूज इस समय क्या चल रहा है. नंबर ए, वी कैन चेक एग्जाम रिजल्ट्स. वॉट एवर वी आर गिविंग द एग्जाम रिजल्ट्स, एग्जाम, वी कैन इजीली चेक द रिजल्ट्स. बी, इट प्रोवाइड्स इंफॉर्मेशन एंड न्यूज ऑन एनी टॉपिक. किसी भी from any topic we can take the informations or current news from the help of internet. And C, we can buy or sell new and old goods. We can purchase also and we can sell also both the goods from the help of internet. D, it allows us to send and receive messages. Very easy कि with the help of internet we can send the message to anybody and we can also receive the messages from anybody. Note down. Now third point, basic requirements for an internet connection. There are some basic requirements for internet connection. Number first, second, third and fourth. We need modem. Second is telephone line. Third, internet connection. Web browser. There are 4 points. There are the basic requirements for an internet connection. यानी इंटरनेट का कनेक्शन लेने के लिए आपको ये 4 चीज़ों की जरूरत पड़ेगी, जिसमें नंबर 1 पे मॉडेम. यू नो वेरी वेल अबाउट मॉडेम. मॉडेम स्टैंड्स फॉर made from 2 words, MO and DEM. Mo means modulator and DEM means demodulator. Modem made from 2 words. Mo means modulator and DEM means demodulator. Modulator always change the signal from digital to analog. Modulator will change the signal from digital to analog, and demodulator will change the signal from analog to digital. This is called modem. Modem जो एनालॉग से डिजिटल में सिग्नल को चेंज करता हो, इसी को ही कहते हैं मॉडेम. सेकेंड वन इज टेलीफोन लाइन. यू नो वेरी वेल अबाउट टेलीफोन लाइन. इट विल आल्सो हेल्प्स to change some signals. Number 3, web browser. There are lots of web browsers, Google Chrome and many more. 4th one is internet connection. It must be एक इंटरनेट कनेक्शन होना चाहिए. Now next topic is internet terms. Internet terms. Number 1, website. Number 2, web page. Number 3, home page. Number 4, web browser. Number 5, URL. Information. So here are terms of internet terms: website, web page, home page, web browser and URL. Number first is website. Website, the number of pages available in the book. Number of pages available in the book. The same way, the number of pages available on the internet. The information number of pages available on the internet with the help of informations. That is called website. Website, the information available on the internet with the number of pages is called website. Now one is web page. Web page is also same. Information is put on the internet in the form of digital pages called web pages. These pages may contain text, graphics, video, audio and links to other pages. That is called web pages. Third one is home page. Third one is home page. The main page of website which contains links to other pages is called the home page. Fourth is web browser. A web browser is a software application or program that allows you to access the information from the internet. That is called web browser. यानी जिस पेज के ऊपर आपके बहुत सारे इंफॉर्मेशंस होते हैं और उस इंफॉर्मेशंस को आप गेन करना चाह रहे हैं उसको कहते हैं वेबसाइट. और वेब पेज का मतलब होता है कि एक डिजिटल पेज के ऊपर इंफॉर्मेशंस को स्टेक करके अपलोड किया जाता है, उसको वेब पेज कहते हैं. होम पेज, जो फर्स्ट पेज आपके सामने ओपन होता है उसको हम लोग होम पेज कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज वेब ब्राउज़र. वेब ब्राउज़र एक प्रकार का आपका ब्राउजिंग यानी सर्फिंग इंटरनेट होता है जिसमें आप किसी भी इंफॉर्मेशंस को सर्च करते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज फिफ्थ URL, यूनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स लोकेटर. इट मीन्स द वेबसाइट एंड URL में डिफरेंस कि इंफॉर्मेशंस will be displayed on the web page is called website, and the link is going to display on this website. That one is called URL. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. We will complete rest of the topics on the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.